Hi there, this is Steve at STO N SHO. Today we're out here at BMW and we're doing a fitment for the 2024 530i. This one has the M Sport front end, so it's going to be the M Sport package. And they did redesign these for 24, so they are different than the 23s and down. Here's the sheet there, it's 530i, but below that you can see it's got the M Sport package on it. So and there's the front, which again has, this is the M Sport package of it. So we're going to go ahead and start the fitment, and there are fortunately fasteners underneath here that we can use, so this is going to be a no drill. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Mike.
All right, thanks, Steve. Okay, and like Steve said, there are factory fasteners we're going to be using here. So we're going to be removing those. There's two of them right in the center. Now, the nice thing about this, even though this has like adaptive cruise and all the fancy stuff, all of that is up high. So where we're mounting, we don't have to worry about parking sensors or the adaptive cruise. So we're going to go ahead and remove these. The factory screws are a 4.8 by, I don't know, looks like 15 with a 10mm head on them. We're going to go ahead and remove those. And again, we will not be reusing these. We're going to be providing you with longer screws and spacers. So as you can see, there's like a recess up in there, so we're going to be filling that with a spacer. So we're going to go ahead and take our two. These are a number 10 screw with a 5/16 head. We're going to go ahead and start those in there. It's going to be the screw through the base plate, the spacer on top, and then start it. And real important, start one side, and then go ahead and move over and start the other side. And once you get those started, then you can start tightening them down. Now, we're going to use an 8mm socket to tighten this up, but again, they are technically a 5/16, but an 8mm or the 5/16 will work, and it's not an exact conversion, but it'll be fine for us. So I just kind of work them in until they're tight. Yeah, snug. Alright, now these are going into a metal J-clip, so don't be afraid to tighten. You can see, look, I can put a pretty good turn on those. So that's nice and solid. The only give you have a little bit from the plastic itself, but it'll be fine. Then you just take your front, go ahead and start it into the rods, or the rods into the tubes, and then once you do that, just pull the pull pin, slide it in until it clicks into place, and there you go.
Okay, and remember from time to time to lubricate your pull pin, and if you do go through an automated car wash, make sure you remove your front plate there, because it will get damaged. And let's go ahead and get a front view here. And your license plate will go on the front plate, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.